What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have something that I really need. A garbage disposal. The one that we have went up. It's a Badger Insinkable. It won't come on no more. I believe it's just done. Let's go ahead and take this out. Saw this on Amazon. Looks pretty cool, and I want to try it out. It says on here it's a 2-year limited warranty. So whatever limited mean, that's limited. So just putting out everything that comes with it. They said this is both. You can hook this up with the outlet, and you can hardwire this. I believe that's what it said on there. But what I'm gonna do with my hardwire, I'm gonna try to make an outlet, and that way I could have an outlet under the sink. So I will try to do that at the same time. It's gonna be a little bit challenging. That's about it. Not too much more. I could take photos, give y'all all the specs or whatnot. And if you want to know, it does come with instructions. It lets you know everything you need. If not, you can look up a YouTube video. There's some very good YouTube videos out there to show you how to hook it up. But I'm just want to hook it up, and then I'll show y'all like the sound and everything of the grinding. I might not grind anything. We don't usually grind anything in the house. If anything, we just put rice or something real small. We don't grind no bones or anything. So that's why I didn't get no real big colossal one. All right, you guys, done talking. I want to install this so I can be done with my life. Yeah. Alright, you guys, I had to go and definitely get my gloves because it stinks. Oh my god. Yeah, it stinks in here. Alright, so make sure you get your gloves or some type of gloves. Alright, we got gloves. And also, before you do anything with your garbage disposal, make sure you have a voltage tester and you test out your voltage to make sure it's off, and then you go downstairs or wherever your electrical panel is and turn off your electric for your garbage disposal or your circuit breaker. Turn off the circuit breaker, you guys. I bet you this haven't been taken off since the house was built. Ugh. Okay, it's going to get nasty. Alright. Ooh, that stinks. Oh my god. Ugh. Alright, make sure you get ready for your smell. Oh, this gotta go outside. Alright, you guys, now I have to get the garbage disposal out of here. So hopefully y'all can see this. Let me get a light. We have to take the dishwasher line off. This is the dishwasher line. Be prepared for this, you DIYers. Be prepared. Now we gotta get the garbage disposal off. We are gonna stick a screw here and turn. If y'all didn't see that, I stuck it in here like this. Turn it left, and it's off. Let me go ahead and take this swamp smelling crap out of here. Look at this. Ugh, disgusting. Alright, you guys, so before y'all do any work with your garbage disposal, you want to turn off your electric. Alright, so take a trip to the circuit breaker. If you got 2 different breakers, please look and double check, make sure. Now I already know where mine's at. So right there I have disposal and we have dishwasher. Alright, this is from the original owner. Alright, so number 19, and then we want it off. Alright, right there it says off. This is on. Off, on. Alright, we have it off. Now let's go back upstairs. All right, you guys, now we'll turn this on. And we get our voltage tester. Got this from Lowe's. And there is no electricity coming through. All right. Now I'm gonna turn it back off just to be on the safe side. Off. Now we want to test to make sure our voltage tester work, and it worked. One more time, be on the safe side, because electricity makes me nervous. All right, now we're gonna take out the old 1/3 HP. All right, I am about to make this cut. All right, we got no electricity. Let's see. All right, good. That's easy enough, right, you guys? Now let's get rid of this stinky thing. I'll take this, because I definitely need that with the gasket. What else I need from here? Absolutely nothing. All right, you guys, going to take this old stuff off. All right, you guys, so there is a little clip right here, and we got to take it off. It's like a pin to hold this thing up. So we are going to use our screwdriver, and we're going to go all the way around. And it came off. So this little ring right here, this is the ring that holds the bracket up. Now we got that down, we are going to take this top bracket off. We use our screwdriver. I got a flathead screwdriver just in case y'all want to know. And for the most part, that is the main tool I use during this process. You can do one side at a time, or you can hold both sides, and then that part come off. Once you've done that, you can lift this from the top. Easy as 1, 2, 3. To install this, we basically have to take all this stuff off. They assembled all this stuff for you, so it's just easier for package. So right here you have this rubber boot. Don't forget where all this stuff comes from. The rubber boot is to go on top of the garbage disposal. When you put it on top of your garbage disposal, you turn this, and then that's it. One thing I want to say, that this is easy for DIYers. Then you have your turning nut, and you have your gaskets. All right, you guys, so basically in the instructions, it's saying if you're not using sealant, use this rubber gasket right here. Most of the time I use plumber's putty, okay? But you know what? I'm gonna give this gasket a try. I'm gonna give it a try. I never really used company's gaskets before, but why not? Let's try it. If it leaks, we'll just do it all over again, right? What you wanna do is put this in the sink, all right? Do not put this goes from underneath. All right, so let's go ahead and drop this in the sink real quick. Step 5 basically saying go ahead and tighten it up. So before we had the old brackets like this. Now the new era, we have our flange right here, and then we have, I call it the nut, but whatever they call it, I'm gonna call this the nut, but they call it K in the book. Right? Just want to make sure your flange is on properly and go up. All right. As y'all know, this goes on, but for this to stay on, instead of this metal ring that the old system had, we have this rubber boot right here. So we're gonna put the rubber boot back, and then you make sure it's flat, all right, because this sits right on top of the garbage disposal. So we put our rubber boot on. All right, and that's it with that. Sheesh. All right, you guys, we are going to go ahead and put on our, we got it in, and then we turn it to lock it. That is hard. Whew. All right, now I am about to hook up everything. I have this rubber gasket right here, stays on the back like that, and then you put it in. Now we're just going to station the screws because I don't want it in too tight. That way we have some wiggle room when we put the whole drain assembly in. Got that side, and I can't see this side, so hopefully, okay, we in. All right, make sure it's snug by your hand. That way we can make adjustments. Now we're ready to install the rest. Put my drain on, put it on right here. Now I'm down here on the bottom where my J is. I'm gonna hook my J up. When you hook your J's up, it's kind of backwards. Righty-tighty. I mean lefty-tighty because you're upside down. I will have to take this drainage back off. I put this on too soon. All right, that could come here. Let me turn this a little bit more. All right, and we made it work. All right, and it's very uncomfortable down here. Now we're gonna hook our dishwasher back up. Now we on our dishwasher port. I pray this thing don't leak because I don't feel like taking all this back off. All right. So we got that. This dishwasher, drain for the disposal, and that's it. That's like 2 things for your garbage disposal, and it's much smaller. I have more space under here. And another thing, if you not into garbage disposals, you don't have to have it, but if you wasn't into it, you could have just hooked up a regular drain like this. You can hook up a regular drain and you could just go ahead and put it into your trap and be living life simple. But I got this just because, you know, there was already a disposal here, so I might as well just put another disposal here. And now I want to go ahead and see if I can find me an outlet to try to make a outlet right here. I'll just put it right here, but just like I did with my microwave, I'll put a little standby one right here, like one that pokes out. That way I don't have to drill inside. I'll show you a photo of that in a little bit. But yeah, let me go ahead and find an outlet and go ahead and try to assemble this. All right, you guys, so I ran water and I didn't even have my trap on tight enough. Oh my goodness. All right, now it's not leaking. There we go. All right, now my regular drain is good. Now I need to hook up some electricity. All right, you guys, so I took off, well, the old wire that was connected to the garbage disposal. I went on and made a little outlet for it. I will fix it up later. Right now I just want to test out the garbage disposal and check out the sound and make sure it works. All right, let me go ahead and turn back on the power source from the circuit breaker. All right, you guys, I just turned on the circuit breaker. All right, got y'all in. All right, I'm gonna turn it on. So we got this piece right here, kind of like it bent out of shape, but it'll get back in shape once the hot water and whatever else hits it. We're gonna push it down where it needs to go. The good thing with this, we have a drain clog right here, so we can stop water on this side too. We didn't have one with the other one, so right now we are good to go. That goes that. We got water going on in. And we have no leaks. Oh, where's my light? Okay. Alright. So we have no leaks, you guys. Nothing coming from the garbage disposal, so that is good. Everything is sealed. Alright, you guys, so if you made it to the end of the video, I want to say thank you. Salute to y'all for watching the whole video. Hopefully this video helped someone. All right, and I want to say, if you are a intermediate beginner DIYer, get this product. Okay, if you are a seasoned DIYer, if you're a casual DIYer, then this is for you. If you're a pro DIYer and if you are a professional as far as plumbing and stuff like that, you should recommend this to your customers, because this will cut your time in like half. And that's about it. Now this garbage disposal does have the 1/3, they have the half, and then they have the 3/4. So it's up to you basically on what do you want to do. Okay, whatever size you want, your price range, you know, it's up to you. And that's about it. The reason why I got this one is just small and simple, and yeah. So other than that, that's it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.